Hello, in this video I will show you how to change the key bindings in Kingdom Come Deliverance II. First, press escape button in the upper left corner on your keyboard. Now navigate settings and here press key binding. Now scroll down until you see your option that you want to change. For example, I don't like the quick items shortcut, so I can add another one, for example the minus button, because I prefer to have the quick item menu on there. And the same goes for any other key binding. You have two slots that you can use, so you can have one function on two buttons. That's it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.